There we go. There we go. We're back. All right. We had some technical difficulties. What's up, guys? Welcome to 12M Hustle. Good morning. Good morning. How are we doing today? All right. Let's get into it, guys. So, today is going to be Thursday. Haven't been trading the past 2 days. Just haven't been, was busy doing some other stuff. But let's get into it. We have government shutdown going on right now. So, non-farm payroll did not come out. It's been adjusted. But in the meantime, let's go over what we got going on. So here I got the time and sales on my trading view, just up in case you guys trade from trading view. I pay for the data for futures and for stocks. So that's what you guys are seeing here. Anyways, let's get into it. So NQ has been nothing but blasting off the last couple of days. Look at that. So overall, I haven't been trading the past 2 days. 2 days, and then so we kind of ripped up, kind of gone on a downtrend, and now we're kind of just slowly going up. Yesterday was blast off day. I mean, we are way over all-time highs, so we're at 25,173. I'm definitely not looking to pretty much go under anything unless, I mean, we start getting into Asia high, we start getting into London low area, looking for shorts. But as long as we hold these levels, I'm continuing to be looking for longs for sure. Just, it's looking for this, hold, and then rip up is kind of what I'm going to be looking for. I mean, I'm going to be looking for a push down into 25,040 to hold the 25K level, and then continue the rip up until, I mean, it's blue skies, so there's no levels up here. So that's it. That's going to be my game plan for today. Overall bullish. Now, on the short side, I would be looking for something a little more, let's say, it'd be more like this, go down, right? And then give us, as to rip down off the open, give us a pop, and then break down the 25K level into looking for probably into at least this level. 2490 would be a nice level I'd be looking for a possible target. 2490, and then next level for shorts I'd be looking into is 24975. So if we're going into shorts, these are two levels I'm looking into, is a pop and rip down into covering these two for possible shorts. But overall market is greenish, so I will continue to be bullish on it overall. And that's what I'm looking for on NQ. And then let's go look at the ES for you guys. Hope you guys are having a good day. It's been really, really good weather today. It's nice and cozy outside, so that's always fun. We got the little Starbucks going on. Get that cappuccino going on. But that is going to be for NQ, and we're still about 15 minutes out from the open. Now let's look at ES. Here is ES overall. All right, so ES is going to be the same concept as NQ. We're just ripping up higher. Now on the ES, if you're trading this, same thesis. As long as she continues to hold these pre-market highs, these levels, I'm definitely going to be looking for a pop down and then a pop up. So you guys can really see a pop down and then hold these levels and then continuation back up. Same thing, ES doesn't really have levels up here, so but I would be looking for 6820 target up over there, hold, push up. In order for me to see it break, it has to break all the way down here and then continuation back down to this to give me the next levels I'm looking for on ES are going to be at targets of 6743 or 6736 possible targets into here for possible levels. So pop and drop. If we get that, then I'm all for it. But overall, I'm looking for the bullish thesis as well on ES as well. Now let's look at other markets. Let's look at CO. So CO, what time is it? Okay, 6:08. Perfect. So here's oil, CO, bada boom, bada bing. It's been kind of choppy overall. I don't like this kind of chop zone, even though we're making lower highs, but you usually end up getting chopped out. But even on this, as long as we stay below previous day low, I would be looking for continuation short side down. Now target wise, I don't really, let's see if I can get some targets for you guys. So target wise would be these levels down here. I would be targeting 60 as possible short cover, 60 and 50, 59 as possible areas for shorts. So these are the levels I'd be looking for. If I'm short, I'd be looking to cover into these levels. Okay, so that'd be the game plan for oil, is maybe a pop into 62, right? Trap some buyers and then continue it back down into 60-40. So as long as you're staying above this major trend line here, you're staying around this major trend, which is the 62. Anything above 62.40, then I would ditch the short idea and flip longish on oil. Okay. Now let's go YM. Okay, this is YM. Oh, that was the thesis I had a couple days ago. Wasn't too bad. And then here's YM. So YM concept is almost the same. We're looking for a Asia high, London high, Asia low, kind of hold. This is not above previous day high, so on YM I would probably be looking for a short under London into yesterday's pre-open level as a target for a possible quick scalp. But overall, even then, I would still be looking for a drop and pop above previous day high into at least 47.049, which is a previous week high. So that's what I would be looking on YM. And then BTC, we all love BTC, right? Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin. Okay. Bitcoin, I'd be looking for a continuation. Thesis is we're bullish overall, so I would just keep looking for the next level. Be looking for pretty much the break. As long as we hold previous day at 119, as long as we hold that, then this would be the mark in the sand. Is this 120? As long as we're above here, then I would be looking long. Continuation long. Anything below previous day high, I would be looking for a possible short. So drop, pop, and then what I want to see Bitcoin do is down into yesterday's open into previous week's low. It's kind of what I want to see on Bitcoin. Now, so I went over all the indices with you guys. I want to go over, I don't do gold, but I don't trade Nikkei too much during New York. But let's go into NVIDIA. I'm kind of slowly going back into big caps and probably will be trading some small caps as well. But overall, what I have a game plan for NVIDIA is pretty simple. Anything above this level of 188, I am looking longish on NVIDIA. Nice breakout previous day high. And then let me try to find the next level we have on this. Oh, I think that's what? Oh, I think that's high. Yep, that's high on NVIDIA. That's all-time highs on NVIDIA. So on NVIDIA, I would be looking, as long as we stay above on NVIDIA, above anything above one, I got to see the open, 188.12. I'm looking for a bullish, and ideally what I want to see off the open is a push down, hold of this level, and then a push back up into 194. That's the game plan for the video. Now, the other one I like to trade a lot is Tesla. So Tesla did a nice little moonshot there. Looks like we have a total all-time high of 488. So that's a possible target. And then we have many levels that we had gone through, busted out yesterday. And there's yesterday's high. Same thing. Ideally, what I want to see is this bust out, hold 462. Thesis is the same, bullish. We hold 462, and then we push back up, and I want to see Tesla hit 488 today if we're going to get to this bullish structure. But if not, then we're going to break through 462 and continue back down into 456 or 441. So that's it, guys. That's pretty much the analysis for today for the futures. Pretty much two stocks that I mainly trade when I decide to go back into stocks. This is what I trade. I do Tesla and Nvidia. Used to be Tesla and Apple, but Nvidia moves a little bit better. So Tesla and Nvidia, and then if we have any small cap runners, I get into them. So I'm gonna get into scans and check those out. But that's it. Hope you guys have a good day. Stay safe. It's Thursday. We're at all-time highs. So for the futures, if the play's not there, just sit on your hands, guys. Cool. Peace. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and all that good